Ron Sexton's mistress' jilted husband, Paul Berkmeier, was set for trial in the attempted murder case of the comedian before the star's mysterious and sudden death at 52. The U.S. Sun can exclusively reveal that Paul, who was accused of shooting at the beloved comedian's rental car in December, is set to go on trial later this month in Indiana. According to records, Paul is scheduled for a jury trial on August 22 in Marion County Criminal Court. He also had his motion to be removed from GPS monitoring granted on July 27. Ron's mistress' husband is accused of blasting 9 shots into his rental car on December 11 of 2022, according to criminal court documents. The comedian told police at the time that after his performance in Portland, Indiana, a rural town about 94 miles north of Indianapolis, he contacted the woman, identified only as Mrs. Berkemeier, and asked to meet her at a local bar in Indianapolis. Ron referred to Mrs. Berkemeier as his girlfriend, who both were currently married to other people, according to court records. After meeting at the Northside Bar and Grill for half an hour, the pair went their separate ways in different vehicles, he told police. Ron, who was staying at a nearby hotel and was in town for the show, told police that when he drove to the parking garage, he noticed a sedan traveling closely behind him. The comedian said the vehicle pulled up on his left and opened fire. Ron told police that he recognized the driver as Mrs. Berkemeier's husband, Paul, whom he had seen on several occasions before. His rental Buick was struck at least 9 times, with the rear window shot out, according to a police report. The Bob and Tom Show comedian suffered injuries to his ear and cheek consistent with shattered glass being blown on his face, records show. In October 2021, Ron also filed a police report against Paul after he attacked him and threatened him and his family, according to NBC affiliate WTHR. Mrs. Berkemeier corroborated Sexton's story, telling police her husband became angry when he found out she left their home near Shelbyville to meet up with Sexton. Court docs from the 2022 incident showed shocking death. Ron was found dead in his Ohio hotel room on July 21 before a scheduled performance of his Donnie Baker stand-up act in Dayton Friday night. Local police said Ron was found dead at a Holiday Inn Express on Friday afternoon around 2:20 p.m., an hour away from his gig later that night. The comedian's wife, Tracy, is listed as his next of kin in the police report, while his alleged mistress, who's been publicly named as Mrs. Berkemeier, is listed as an OIV, police shorthand for offender involved. Victim. Police were called when Holiday Inn Express staffers found Ron not breathing in his room, the report stated. Officers secured the scene while the criminal investigation section arrived. The case is an open criminal investigation, and the Harrison Police Department is encouraging anyone who believes they have information surrounding Ron's death to contact them.